Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. I was going to do a quick overview on this BarrAcuda 2 SE key chuck system. I teach high school woodshop and I have these in the woodshop, and I thought I was going to try it also on my home lathe as well, which is relatively new. I have this Nova 2024, which I love. It is 1 1/4 right here, 8 threads per inch. And then there's my chuck that I usually turn bowls on. So this chuck right here is actually 1 inch, 8 threads per inch, but I have a conversion piece. So let's see what's in here. There's our chuck. Key to tighten it. Hex key for the jaws. Bolts for the jaws. Screws to screw it into your wood blank. Interior set of jaws and another set of jaws. So that'll be actually really cool for small projects right there, like rings. So again, this chuck is 1 inch diameter, 8 threads per inch, which is pretty much every mini and midi size lathe. Then on the large lathe, it's 1 1/4 by 8 threads per inch. So this is the adapter right here that I'm going to use with it. And then these chucks, or jaws for the chuck right here, these are actually really pretty cool. These are for cutting a pen blank. So you change these out and you put your square pen blank in there and then run the drill bit into it. So that's kind of cool for pens. And then these are the smaller jaws right here. And these jaws right here, you can put something really small on those, like a ring. So you put a ring on the inside of them and on the outside of them right there. And it comes with the hex key to change them out. So these things come out right here. So go ahead and change these over. You don't need to watch that, I'm sure. So I got all these hex bolts out. One important thing to note is, I don't know if you could see it there, but there's a 3 stamped right there on there. So we get it to focus. A 3 stamped on that jaw, and then there's a 3 stamped on that chuck. So you gotta make sure they line up correctly. So here's that ring chuck. This is number 4. So this is number 2. And then here on the chuck is number 2. Number 4. Here's number 4. Number 3. And number 1. And then these are the same size bolts that go in here. Go ahead and tighten those up. Tighten these bolts up. And then we have that small set of jaws on this chuck. Anything flying off, so that's nice and tight. My adapters right in there. Then let's go over and put it on the lathe. See how it works with the ring. So here it is here, the adapter. Very good. Here's a wood blank right here. I'm gonna go right on down there to turn the outside of it. So there it is, there on the outside. Let's go ahead and turn that. Should get your face shield on. Maybe bring up the tailstock even, be a little safer. Stand out of the way when you turn it on. Tool rest is locked.